Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite for free on PC or laptop. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. First thing first, you need to go ahead and download Epic Games Launcher. So go to epicgames.com and you will see here on Store install on Windows. You want to click on it and download it, or just sign into your account, sign up and download it from here. Now, after that, you will see Epic Games installer right there. You want to double click on it, and now it will prepare the installation. Now, as I already have Epic Games, I don't need this, but basically you want to go ahead and install Epic Games Launcher. It will look something like so. All you have to do is just click install into your program files. Now, after you have done that, you want to go ahead and open up your Epic Games Launcher, and you want to sign into your account. If you don't have it, go ahead and sign up. I'm just gonna sign into with Google. Now, once you will sign into your account, you will see here Epic Games Launcher, and you want to go ahead and search the store for Fortnite. Once you will find Fortnite, you want to click on this one. And all you will have to do is just click install, and it will start the installation. It will take a little bit of time. I already have it, but that's where you click install. And that's pretty much it. After that, you will see it on your library here. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.